Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address a question that talks about the steps we go through when managing a child's behavior. My school requires us to go through some steps with behavior before we involve administration. This makes sense, but one of the requirements is calling the parent. I dread calling home. Very often, I feel like the parents blame me for their child's behavior, and I'm tired of it. Do you have any ways to make this experience more pleasant? We've got to remember that parents only bring their lens to the table of their experiences in school. They're on the defense. They get on the defense right away as soon as they get that call. And I can guess that a big percentage of the calls they've gotten from school have been as a result of the child's poor or difficult behavior. So we have parents who don't know what to do with it either. And so they're kind of on their last, last nerve. And we know ourselves when we walk into school in the morning and we've had a lot of things in our home that maybe have unraveled this weekend and it's Monday morning and it's, snowing or whatever it might be, we are on our last nerve. And the littlest of things can set us off. For this parent, that's it. The call from school sets them off. I have to somehow communicate with that parent on positive notes. And I always talk about this. How do we make the relationship with parents positive in the beginning? First of all, if I know I've got a child who I can see is going to give me trouble in the future, then I'm going to start calling that parent right away just by saying, hey, just want to touch base, introduce myself. If you ever have any questions, anything we can help you with, let me know. I might call that parent and say, hey, we have a lending library, and I know that these are some struggles that your child might have had in the past, and so I wanted to offer that up to you. Offer up some resources for parents because they don't know what to do either. And I've had conversations with parents where they'll actually say to me, so should I not let them watch that movie? I'm like, yeah, no, don't let them watch that movie. But the fact that they might have asked that question meant that they were unsure themselves. So everybody's going to have a different parenting style. But remember, we are going to defend ourselves when people come after us about our kids, even if we're not doing it right. So I've got to make sure that you see both sides before I'm going to actually open the door and have a conversation with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.